Comment down below if you watched my video before. You probably have seen what my hair looked like back in January, February. Cut to coronavirus self-quarantine. This is what a short haircut grows into. A hot mess. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, enjoy makeup, and like doing reviews. So, today I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of the May 2020 Boxycharm $25 box against the Ipsy Plus $25 box. If you're interested in seeing which beauty subscription won, then keep on watching. Let's start and look at the products that I received in the May 2020 Boxycharm. So, I had iteration number 62, a Tarte Micellar water. I got from ELEMIS, which is a very shishi skincare line, some resurfacing facial pads. I also got from a brand I'm not familiar with called Trestique, and this is a concealer crayon. Got a lipstick from Dose of Colors. And a lip gloss from Joer. So, these are all, except for one, brands I've heard of. Nice products, okay? What did I get in the May 2020 Ipsy Plus? We got, and I don't know what my iteration is because I didn't get a card. Okay, so it looks like the brand's called Mudmasky, and it's an after mask vitamin serum. Got an eyeshadow palette from a company called Colored Raine. Got a cream highlighter duo from Girlactik. We got a lip paint from Tarte. And a clear eye gel from Wander Beauty. Comment down below, did you get the same box as me on either Ipsy or Boxycharm? Did you get better on your Ipsy? Did you get worse? Oh God. Alright, so now it's time to do the fun part where we try to do a side-by-side comparison, which should be interesting. So this month it's harder. In the past months I'd have an eyeshadow palette in both and a lip in both to do a side-by-side. This month we're all over the map. So the easiest thing I can do is brand on brand. So in the Boxycharm we got a micellar water from Tarte, and in Ipsy we got a lip paint. I'm giving a point to Boxycharm because A, I use and like micellar water. I like Tarte on both. This shade is not my favorite, but I will use it. I'll make it work. I love Tarte, so I'm going to give Ipsy a point for giving a Tarte lip paint. I kind of like this. Also, this is a new, I've never gotten a micellar water in a box before, but they both get a point. Okay. Alright. Here we have skincare. ELEMIS is a very nice brand. I'm not familiar with this brand. Boxycharm, Oh, this came in the Boxycharm, by the way. Provided a price. This is $59. I will have to put the price on the screen because they did not provide a card in Ipsy. So, I'm going to assume this one costs more, but the screen will tell. I don't wear masks. I wear a sleeping mask, but not the kind like the clay where you gotta sit there for 20 minutes and rinse it off. I don't do this, and this is called an after mask vitamin serum. So if you can only wear it after that, then this will be 0 points. If this is a skincare that it's just a serum and you can pretty much wear it whenever, then these will be a tie. So jury's out on this one. Watch the screen, but for sure Boxy gets a point here. Alright, new, different, and interesting product in Boxycharm. This is a Crayon Concealer. Interesting. Might dry me out, but still, new and different. A brow gel, clear brow gel from Ipsy. It's that Wander Beauty that I only see in like beauty subscription box, and I swear it's Ipsy more than Boxycharm. I don't do my brows, but if I did, it's clear, so like half a point, and a point for Boxy because I have dark circles that I like to try to disguise. So Boxy's ahead. Alright, this is a brand I've never heard of, but it is a lovely, I like the size. It has a mirror. It has shades I would wear. This is from Ipsy, and the brand is Mimosa Moment. No, the brand is Colored Raine. The palette's called Mimosa Moment. Versus a Dose of Color lipstick, which is so interesting, the shape. I like it. I like the color. Boxycharm gets a point. Ipsy, you get a point too, because I know I'll use this. Alright, last item. This is from Ipsy. The brand is Girlactik, and it's a dual, it's a cream highlighter duo. And I'm excited and interesting because I've never tried a cream highlighter. So, Ipsy, you get a point for this. New and interesting product. Boxy, this is a lip gloss from Joer. It's nice, it's not sticky, it's a little dark for me, but still, it's nice. So, they both get a point. If anyone's keeping score or even still watching, Boxycharm is a 5 out of 5 this month. And I would say, here's the rub. I got my Boxycharm first. I unboxed it first, and it was 5 out of 5. So my expectations were up here. Open my Ipsy box. If I can be unbiased, it wasn't as bad, but when I opened it, compared to my Boxy, it wasn't that good. But I've had some time to think. I would say it's a 4 out of 5, which doesn't sound that bad. I've had worse boxes. Just, it's in the shadow of a kick-ass box from Boxycharm. So, I feel bad now. Ipsy, am I being picky? Comment down below if you think I'm being picky. Anyways, I appreciate you stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.